Look at that.
What?
Would you just look at it? It's looking pretty clean.
No, not really.
This color looks sweet on camera. How do you feel about the stripe? You like it?
I can't say I don't like it.
I don't think it's bad though.
Oh wait. Back in 08 is the baddest bitch that ever hit the streets, but yeah. To each their own. See, one thing I don't like is when there's a stripe on the hood but nowhere else in the car. I like when it continues through the whole car. But you can't, I mean, you can do it on C6s, but there ain't a lot of trunk space to do
Yeah,
there.
there wouldn't be a whole lot of stripe back there, but
people carry it down the back of the car. You know what I like? White C6s and the whole back is black.
oh yeah.
Sick. Yeah, this is cool. This is cool color. It's the first time I'm seeing this color.
Yeah, this red is nice.
Stage 3 valve covers and headlights.
Headlights?
Yeah, it's getting new headlights.
You get like the C8 ones or something?
I don't know, dude. Morimoto headlights.
Alright.
This is leaking.
What's going on? So the oil pan's leaking? Oh yeah, I'd say so. It's looking a little shiny. The rest of it looks okay.
Oil pan leak going on here.
Is everything looking stock?
Yeah.
Do we always put brand new thermostats on cars?
Every single one.
Don't think I've ever caught you doing that before. Damn, Kyle. You're moving right along with this thing. So you're pretty much done with this, aren't you?
I'm waiting on valve covers.
The valve covers.
Yeah, I still gotta do headlights, but I'm gonna start it up first.
I don't know if you heard all the talk about these valve covers, but we got a little teaser video sent to us.
How long are we supposed to get them?
They look pretty sick. Damn, these things seem like they're packaged pretty nicely. Both these new Jones popped in. You gotta do a little bit of wiring stuff for the new headlights.
Just a smidge.
Then you're basically just like a white tiger in a cage. Go make the money. All right, you're done. Go back in there. All right, cross legs.
All right, Will Cooksey, C6Z, got our stage 3 package. So Frankenstein heads, RB3 cam, 2-inch American Racing headers with cats, Haltech 108, K-Tech valve covers, which we had powder coated the same color as the car, and it looks sick. We ordered a little paint pen for this car, and then we gave the guy that does our powder coat, new guy, the gas door, and he matched it, and it's like pretty damn close to the paint. I mean, it looks almost identical, so it looks really, really good. We did the valve covers, and then this guy wanted those Morimoto headlights, so we did them. What did this thing baseline? It has a dyno sheet in here from previous. I don't remember what was done to the car, but it made 497. Sick, no baseline? Yo, do we not baseline this car? Or, oh, the customer didn't want to? Oh. Okay, the customer didn't want to baseline it. So, I don't know what it baselined, besides this. All right, there's that. Yeah, there is, but fucking smoothing's on 0, so it jumped up probably like, 27 horsepower.
Dyno or valve drop on your dyno, so he's like, I'd rather not baseline it.
Whatever, I mean, yeah, I don't care. He's scared of the drop in a valve.
Oh.
I mean,
Are they stock seats?
Yeah.
It says 427?
Actually, no, I don't know in the Will Cooksey. It has a red carbon thing here, which I'm not sure is stock. That may be stock on the Will Cookseys. But I don't know if the seats are. I don't know. I think they're stock. Could be wrong. All right, let's see what this thing makes. It's warmed up enough now. No baseline, so I got nothing to go off of. So I'm guessing that it would not have made 497 on our dyno. My guess it would have made like 460. Because generally they'll pick up 130 to 140 on a stage 3. At least 130. 520 torque. Torque's actually pretty good. But it's not gonna make 620. No. Don't even ask those fucking questions. You're just gonna fucking jinx yourself. Hey, have you ever crashed your car leaving work on a Wednesday?
No, I haven't.
Yeah, well, don't fucking ask questions like that. Hate that shit. It's like when you're at the racetrack and people are like, ha, don't crash. I want to get out of my car and smack them over the fucking face with my helmet. Don't ask questions like that. You can ask like, hey, have you ever won the lottery? Or like, hey, have you ever like went 9s? Like things that are like cool to do. Have you ever died of a heroin overdose? Nope, never done that. Certain questions you may think, but you don't verbally ask them. That is one of them. Ask me if you ever had a car drop a fucking valve on the dyno. $597, $523. I don't know if I said that, but this thing ain't gonna make a ton more. The tune's pretty close. It's got good timing in it. Air fuel's good, but I'll let it cool down after this and see what we got. This thing needs a mild to wild. That's why if you see when I first start making the dyno pull, like it looks like it's lean. It's really not. It's just because the wideband is in the other pipe with the valves, and the valves technically aren't open yet. So once they open, it starts reading right. Exactly 600 there. 524 torque. I'm gonna let this thing cool and then I'll make a final pull or two. All right, I only let it cool down for like 20 minutes because I gotta put another car on, but not that it's gonna make that much of a difference anyway. Z06. I'll do one more. Z02, 529 torque on the last run, 525 now. So that's it. Again, we don't know what a baseline, but I can promise you, it's funny, I talked to Bill, he said the last 3 stage 3s we did picked up exactly the same horsepower. They picked up 144 and 77 torque. He's like literally almost on the dot, the last 3. So that's why I said this thing definitely didn't make 497, or wouldn't have made 497 on our dyno. It probably would have made in the 560 range. That's it. Later.